what we have here, the bird taking a drink from a human bubbler. That's right, it's for humans. This is how you get bird disease. That's you, buddy. These birds, I don't know what they're called, how close I can get before I get attacked or killed. Not far at all. Here we have a scavenger bird called the ibis. Even if I got the name wrong, you can see this big bird is what they really call the big bird, scavenging and eating all of our leftover food. It doesn't worry if it's gluten-free. And last but not least, we have the Australian seagull. Seagulls can also be used as a derogatory term for somebody who hovers over food. So at the next party, if you see someone hovering over a plate of food, eating it all, say, hey mate, you're a seagull. These scavengers pinch all your food, eat all your chips, hover around until there's nothing left. That's right, the Australian seagull. How close can we get? Hey, come back, you asshole! Hey, come back! I am trying to do a documentary on a bird. I am not David Attenborough, but come back! Here he is. We're going for this one now. This is professional documentary from not David Attenborough. Outrun. Oh, there's some more. Not finished. Not done. Hey. As you can see, they're very friendly. And they like me. We're playing chasings.